Hi, Aliana. Mr. Brown, I just thought I might make you a video instead. Maybe it'd be easier to just visualize it. So this video is just for you, okay? Um, I've got open what you're going to be reading as far as the sharecropping. It's very short, so this is not like a formal essay. And you've got the video there that you can watch as well. So I've got the sharecropping, excuse me, the objective summary Google Doc open up for you here. And you can see there it says an objective summary gives the central ideas of a text and details to support it. So it's almost like writing in the race strategy, okay? So restating the question, answering it, citing evidence. So it's sort of like a paragraph, um, within like a formal essay, okay? So you're going to read the attached article, you know that. So here it's just telling you the kind of sentences, the sentence starters. You do not, for my sake, you do not have to sort of start exactly like this. But it's going to be sort of the same sort of race strategy that we've used before. So that a topic sentence is going to include the name of the article, the author's central idea. Um, in the article, sharecropping, slavery, etc. The central idea, the main idea, you can just point that out. You can start giving supporting details that help that central idea. Here you've got more than one, so you might have restating the question for the first one, topic sentence, saying describing the idea, the central idea. Coming up, the second one is coming up with a supporting detail, for example, and that will help your central idea. The third one there is another supporting idea. That's it. So just continuing on with another supporting idea, and then one more supporting idea. Um, and then a concluding sentence. So the way this could probably work for you is, again, it doesn't have to be written in that formal style that we've been writing, but to organize it, you could have one small introduction for your topic sentence that's explaining the central idea. Then another paragraph, a very small paragraph with a supporting detail. Okay, and then you can cite the textual evidence there if you want. Then a third paragraph with your second supporting detail, and here they recommend like starting it in fact as like a continuation, and then a fourth small paragraph with that third supporting detail. Here they recommend furthermore, and then just concluding it up. Okay, so it's going to be almost like how we write um, our formal essays, but this one would only be, well, this one would be 5 paragraphs, but they can just be very short because you're just summarizing. Okay, so if it helps you break it down from paragraph to paragraph to paragraph to paragraph to paragraph, one, two, three, four, five, that should be a little easier. Okay, I hope this helps. These are just ideas to help you start the paragraphs, but whatever you're most comfortable with that summarizes. And don't forget that summarizing a paragraph is just giving the objective central idea and details, not really an opinion related essay. Okay, I hope this helps. All right, reach out to me if you need more help. Okay, bye bye.